For use, we should fill up the engine oil first. Take out the dipstick. Then install the funnel. Then fill it with our own oil. Use this dipstick to check the oil level. This oil is at the highest and lowest point. This is the highest position of suitable oil. Now there is oil on it, which is enough to explain. Then tighten. Add steam oil and then use the oil pot. Add it to the fuel tank. The amount of fuel can be increased or decreased according to your own usage. It depends on the area you want to mow and the use time. Okay, after filling the oil, tighten the oil tank cap again. After the fuel tank cap is tightened, it will make a click. This will tighten it.